Electricity to you is not affected by your choice. If you change who you purchase natural gas services or electricity services from, you will continue receiving natural gas and electricity from...
It's okay, but I looked before I opened the window. Oh, dude, these guys look freaky. Look at the cars. They're getting shittier and shittier.
Oh, nice blinker. Good job, guys. Good job.
Nice, there's a school right in this area.
Oh, well. Nice blinker.
Just in case this does go on.
Oh, that's so sketchy.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, this guy's no icon. Wait, maybe he turned him on.
He did.
He did! Oh my god. I didn't flash him or do anything.
That's weird.
Get a one star, hand me down for to try to fix her. With some part-time cash.
Dude, are you serious? That was a total last second decision.
Where's your ball cap backwards kind of place you can't wait. And know that 15 minutes of
Dude, really?
ain't gonna be but
What are you doing? You're not even in your lane.
yeah, I know that the woes and the weight of the world.
That was dumb.
Take it out on me. When you don't have to count on.
Oh. This guy's gas tank is open. Oh, this guy's
That's pretty clear, isn't it?
What are you doing? Or are you just backing in? No, you're making a U-turn.
Think.
Ooh, what the hell happened?
I don't know. So we should keep.
The waterbed says that they're making a comeback. He's planning on a waterbed comeback this spring. Apparently, we're all have a waterbed.
What the
he's
hell
71
is
years old.
this person
He
doing?
says, I don't think a millennial
Oh.
has ever even seen a waterbed. He debuted them 50.
Wow. It's a total last second decision. What the hell? What the fuck is wrong with people?
New to now? Okay, here's the deal. Rachel Day, she's the...
Turn right on 97th Street Northwest. Then turn left on 116 Avenue Northwest.
What is this person doing up here?
What's up?
Switch your home's electricity and natural gas to ACO Energy and start saving. Plus $1 grocery card just for signing up.
Double thumbs up.
Switch today at ACOEnergy.com. Offer expires March 25th. Conditions apply.
All customers are free to purchase natural gas services from the default supply provider or from a
And you
retailer
have no
of their
lights
choice.
on.
And to purchase electricity services from the regulated rate provider or from a retailer of their choice. The delivery of natural gas and
People without
electricity to
headlights,
you
like,
is not affected
God, it's
by
like
your
a
choice.
fucking
If you change who you purchase natural gas services or electricity services from, you
Does anyone else ever? And then you fill it in like this person says, does anyone else
What are
ever
you
donate
doing?
blood? Just for the cookies by George afterwards. I mean, I don't know where you're going. Do they give you cookies by George usually? Usually I go out of my way to find a cookies by George, but if there's a place where you donate blood and they give you cookies by George, please let me know at 56789.
Text Marika 56789. Join the conversation. Now radio.
The light's still red, buddy. Look how much time you saved. You're really gonna drop somebody off right there?
Who's on now? You. The Now family.
Just a really good mix of different kinds of music, all good stuff, none of the crap. And the hosts are very personable and relatable.
1023. Now radio.
Oh, and then you vote? Oh, you're speeding like a douche. You're an absolute douche. Yeah, look, you got so far.
They really updated around here. Hey?
Oh, you're a douche. You got honked at too. Really? Am I going? No, I'm not.
That's where you get a clip of yourself.
Yep.